Hi. In this video, we will see how fast it is to do bill of material based invoices. First, we will see current stock for a bill of material. For a pumping system, we can see the composite items and the stock are existing. We now go to BOM based credit invoice. After entering basic details in credit invoice, we will select the pumping system as item code. We create our own batch number. Once we save and create the invoice, we can see in the printout the parent item, pumping system is shown in the main invoice, while all the bill of material items are shown in the bottom. If we see the stock, simpliRP has already reduced the stock automatically based on bill of material. When we print the invoice, the first page will show the parent item code in the invoice. In the second page it will show the bill of material with quantity. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.